Hey, welcome to this edition of the Rugged Rundown this week, and we're going to be talking about rugged laptops for students in 2025. What type of rugged laptop would you might be using in your course study? And the courses you might be taking or the majors you may have would be construction, surveying, civil engineering, anything that would require outdoor use or in a rugged environment. You're going to want to go with a rugged laptop in your studies, or even a rugged tablet if in fact that works for you. Some things you need to think about. What is the weight that I want to have? Well, the Dell 5424, for example, is going to be a little heavier than the Panasonic Toughbook CF33. You also get the portability of the 33 whenever the screen turns into a tablet, so you have that option. Or you may just go with a straight FZG2. Now you got to worry about your budget because Dell's going to be your least expensive option. The CF33 will be the next step up, with the FZG1 being the most expensive option of these three units. And that's only because it's newer. So you're going to look at battery life. Is it touchscreen? Are you going to be outdoors? Do you need a high nit screen like 1,000 nits? If you don't know what a nit is, check out my blog on nit and what it means. Those are the things you need to worry about. Am I going to be wearing gloves while I'm using the touchscreen? Will it be raining? Will it be outdoors in the bright sunlight? How much battery life do I need? Do I need extra batteries, or can I get extended batteries on these units? These are all questions you need to ask yourself whenever you're picking. So you got some choices. You can go with the Panasonic line, the Getac line, the Dell Rugged line. Any one of those three are the top three choices. But that's all I got for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, of course, and I'll see you guys next week.